All right, welcome to my tiny living. I live on the Shoreline in Connecticut. I live in 400 square feet. That's my Christmas tree that was outside 4.5 feet. However, I had to bring it in because we have a lot of rain and gusty winds today and it falls over. So I just put it on there. So I didn't plan on doing this. I was just watching a tour on YouTube of a New York City apartment, 375 square feet, and I was inspired to show my 400 square feet. Okay, ottoman, that's where I put my extra blankets and throws. There's a bunch on our little Amazon sofa. Love this sofa. It's so comfortable. I did get it on Facebook Marketplace, but it was only a year old when I bought it. And it was an Amazon, literally an Amazon piece of furniture. So I put up some lights. That's the doorway into my bedroom and bathroom. You're seeing into my kitchen. This is the corner. Have a nice, I love this chair. That's a Marketplace chair. It was a $750 chair that I got for $165. I forget what they're called again, but it's a really well-made chair. I love it. I didn't bring much with me when I, scaled down. I didn't bring much at all, but that did come with me. I had to buy a whole new sofa, so that's why I got that new one there from Facebook Marketplace. That's my dog, Dami. That's my baby. I brought her with me, and my horse, Dakota. It's a small TV, just a 32-inch Google TV, smart TV, but my smart TV is kind of dumb. I'm just saying. Has a mind of its own. Would I get another one? Not that one, but I'm stuck with it. Got a little Tractor Supply wheel that I put twinkle lights on or bell lights and some floral stuff just for fun. This is my kitchen. All right, I'm going to turn the light on. Okay. I hung baskets on the wall, and I put dried goods in there and produce that doesn't go bad. Tiny little stove, really tiny. It's for, I think they use these in RVs, but apartment size, but it's perfect. I got used to it. I put shelving up above the doorway. You know, for those extra things you just want to hang on to. My mugs, I love coffee. My mugs, my little pitchers and stuff like that. I didn't want to get rid of them, so I've just put up extra shelving, and I joined 2 4-foot pine shelving pieces of lumber together with those brackets, and then I got a bunch of these shelving hardware on Amazon, so I have a ton of them. Here's my fridge. It's an apartment size one as well, but it's just right. You don't waste a lot of food when you have a small refrigerator because you don't overbuy. I put that shelf up. I have this galvanized thing. It used to sit on a shelf in my other house, and then I just put some anchors in the wall, and now it holds my tea and coffee. Love it, love it, love it. Small trash, which is good. Again, it's only me. I don't make a lot of trash. I do have a back door, and that towel rack that I put on the back of the door is because in the summer I cold dunk. So I'll put a horse or a livestock tank on the back porch, and I fill it with ice cold water, and I'll go out at night and dunk. This is the kitchen. My leftover lunch, that will be my dinner, some porcini mushroom ravioli in a olive oil and garlic dressing. You get creative when you live in small spaces, but I love it. Oh, and then I have my bands, resistance bands are right there, which is awesome. I am currently knitting. I'm always knitting. There's more knitting. And here, that's my daughter and her husband. Just a small stand-up shower. Works for me. And I added this little handle so I could put that lower, because when you're in a small space, it's hard to shave your legs if you're trying to do it with an overhead shower. So I just put that little accessory that I bought on Amazon so it would hold the shower handle. Perfect. Perfect. It's a pretty little apartment with wainscoting. I put these on the door to hold all my hairbrushes and my hair dryer and my clips and stuff like that. Put more shelves, tiny shelves there, but they work out well. There's the toilet alcove. With my pig. I used to raise Mangalitsa pigs and sell them to Dan Barber. He's a Michelin star chef in New York City. I miss raising piglets. Big closet in here. It's probably a mess, but it's big. You know, for 400 square feet of apartment, oh boy, you really get a lot. I think. I did. Here's my pup. I got my... have a dresser. And this is a trundle bed, but instead of having the mattress down in the bottom, I've doubled it up. Pardon me, but my good linen is out at the laundry service. It'll come back tomorrow, so I'm using spare linen right now. And of course, everything's got throws on it for Dami, right, Dami? Yes, for my Frito feet. But yeah, this is my bedroom. It's 11 by 7. And again, everything is for, there's my knitting machine. I make hats and sell them. Books. Of course, you've got a drawer. Here's iPad. Stack of books. There's another laptop under there that I use. And then I just put up a ton of bookshelves. This is my office. So this is 7 feet wide by 11 feet long. And there's my filing cabinet. It's got the printer on top of it, and just, you know, I record a lot of podcasts in here, and I do have a green screen that I can put behind me. I have another laptop set up, you know, everything's here to do the work I gotta do. But it works, guys. This all works. There's another closet in there. It's that deep. Where you see that picture hanging, that's how deep my closet is. So you can fit quite a bit. And again, down below, under here, you can see all my sweaters are under there, and my cycling clothes are down there too, and some other extra pillows. So you really get handy. I will say I have a 10 by 10 storage unit because it's for big things. Like I have extra bicycle Reese hitches, racks. You know, I put my summer clothing in there, and then my winter clothing, I switch it out. I have a lot of extra tack and saddles for my horse. My gardening things, like there's things I just can't part with. It's not jam-packed, that 10 by 10 at all. It's in climate control. It's awesome. It's an extra bedroom to me, but that's my apartment here on the shore, 400 square feet, and I love it. Thanks for watching.